Hello guys, for TryHackMe Advent of Cyber. So let's get started. So I have already deployed my machine. So let me open a new private window and let me paste this IP address so that you can see the web page. So this is the web page and I'm going to solve this answer via two methods. So let's get started. So first is book holiday to Hawaii. So that was a simple question, so you can ignore that. Let's do the below two questions. And so it is we need to do LFI, local file intrusion, and we need to read the etc shadow file and crack Charlie's password. So the first method which I am going to use is using Burp Suite. So let me open Burp Suite and let's start Burp Suite. Okay, so the Burp Suite is up. Let's go to the proxy tab and let's turn off the intercept, and over here let me switch on my burp mode. So yep, so now everything is ready. Okay, and let's turn intercept on and let me reload this website and forward this request. Now I can just forward the, now if we'll go to HTTP history, then you'll find this thing. So this is the website which we were going through. You can see this is the website which we are right now, and it is requesting for all of these two. So if I'll just go and I'll forward this to the repeater. So this is the URL which is that website is requesting, which is from his own PC. So this is inside views. He's is asking for notes. He's asking for notes 1. So this 2f is actually a representation of slash. So when he writes 2f, it actually means views slash notes slash note 1. So it is actually going in his file and extracting the location. He's going to the directory name as views, then he's going into directory name as notes, then he is taking the file name as note1.txt. So just like this, what we need to do is we need to extract that etc shadow file. So here rather than notes, I'll type etc, and why I'm adding this 2f over here is because while extracting the etc file, we always type like slash etc. So for that slash, there is the first over here slash, that 2f is for percentage 2f is for the forward slash, then etc, then again percentage 2f, and then over here h2 shadow. Okay, so you can see, okay, scat etc shadow. So you can see now shadow is coming just like this over here, and then we'll send this request and it came as okay, success, and this was a big huge response. So let's just copy the URL and let's paste it in here. So this is the request which we got, and that is what which we were finding. So we got to know that Charlie is a username and this is his file, like this is his shadow file, and this is the password which we can crack. So I think the part of Burp Suite is done. You can just switch off Burp Suite. Yeah, and now cracking is left. So for cracking, let's do nano documents, and I have a folder called hash. You can create your own thing. So over here, let's go and firstly let's remove this. You can make a new file by gedit and then just type it in there, and I just pasted this Charlie hash. Okay, and let's save this by pressing Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl O, Y, enter, Y, enter. Okay, where is it? Okay, I'm just cancelling it now. So if I'll cat it, you will know. Yep. So this is the hash for the Charlie, and I'm going to crack it via John. So sudo John -- word list is equal to Rocky word list. So it's gonna be document / rocky.txt, and then this location of this hash file, which is in documents hash, and it will ask me for my password and throw some error. Okay, so it has successfully cracked the hash, and the hash, I can see this hash by typing -- show and the name of the file. So the name is, so the location is document and hash. Document hash. Yeah, so it cracked this line. You just need to type this as I have done, where in this hash folder, hash file, you will just paste this thing, and the cracked one answer is password 1. So let's copy this, come here, and let's paste this. It's right. And what is flag1.txt? So let's run an nmap to this server. So after running nmap, let's see the results. So it's gonna load, just a second. Okay, so the nmap scan is here, and it says that it is also hosting an SSH service. So we can connect to the SSH service, and the name was Charlie. You can see over here, Charlie @ the IP, and let's start connecting. And it will ask me for a password, and the password is password 1. And yep, we are in, and we can just flag this file out. So if you'll just wait a second, I will even try and show you the second method. Second method is without using burp-suite. It's doing this directly, and which is what everyone does, is that when I'll go to inspect element, I'll go down, I'll see this script, and in this script you will see that construct URL is equal to /get-file plus whatever we want. So here only, if we'll just type -get-file and whatever we wish for, that will be fine, and that will work. So now we need like /etc/file, or let's try and take the flag. So let's do cd.ls/home/ let's cat it like this, cat/home/flag/Charlie, sorry, so let's do this. So firstly you need to go to home. So for home there is %2f, and then rather than etc will go to home, then again a slash like we did over here, /Charlie. So rather than, let's just copy this and put it in here. Now rather than slash, we'll replace it with %2f, and over here too let's replace it with %2f, and over here again %2f. and it gave us the flag. So only reason we are doing it using %2f is we are encoding this URL, because the slash won't work. That's why. Otherwise everything is fine, it's working great. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.